Happy birthday to you.
Hey you guys, so I'm coming to you today with a fun tutorial on a nice twist on a 16th birthday cake for my son. He doesn't really like cake, but he likes money a lot, and it was a great way to involve the family. Everyone cash apped me in so we can make this nice, beautiful big cake. So what you're gonna need is some scotch tape, some black spray paint, black ribbon, scissors, dollar bills or more, a glue gun, some foam inserts, and you're also gonna need some double-sided sticky tape that's not actually in this photo. Alright, this is how one stack of hundreds look, but for this project I did use $265. So here we have our different sizes of foam, and I'm just going to use the glue gun and attach them all. Now I kind of messed up on this part because I didn't measure the way I should, so eyeballing it did not help. Yeah, so it's a little crooked, but I did fix it in the end. Then I'm just reinforcing the sides with some more glue. And yeah, we were making it rain up in here. So here I'm just using the matte spray paint, and I went around about twice, making sure I get in all the nooks and crannies. I would suggest doing it outside because it did stink in my house for a little bit. Alright, so this is how we rolled up our dollars. We used our finger, found that was the easiest way. Alright, and yeah, that was some money. Here's more, $265. Alright, here's the double-sided sticky tape that I was telling you guys about. I got it off of Amazon. It worked like a charm, and the money did not rip when it was time to take everything off. So we just went round and round on each layer. And then at the very top, we did add another layer because that top foam was pretty big. So it ended up making a 4-tier cake. These were the little happy birthday toppings that we just stuck into the foam. Added the rest of the dollar bills at the top. And voila! Look at how beautiful this is. And y'all, he absolutely loved it. This was a fun idea, and get the family involved. All right, y'all. Till next time. Peace.